Seth, and today at Sentry Air Systems we're going to be going over our Floor Sentry models. These right here are utilized for a lot of different engineering controls, for whether it be welding, working with solvent, fumes, powders, any type of airborne contaminants that you need to protect operators from. This one right here is our Model 300. This one is also available in two other sizes, our 200 and our 400. There have a lot of different features that are included on this. What's included is you have a 5-inch hose, you have a capture hood, a portability handle. There's also some features. We have a heavy-duty locking casters here, and it also has a small footprint. A couple of different things as well that are offered is this hose is flame retardant. Okay, so it's good for welding applications, soldering, anything that produces heat. Filters. These things have a couple different options. This one particularly right now is paired with a HEPA filter as well as a 10-pound carbon filter. You could use that for something where it'd be like 3D printing. It'd be something a process that produces any type of particulate or smoke and then has any odors that follow up with that. Or even if you have a process that produces smoke or particulate and you have a completely different process where you use solvents to clean a different application. That's absolutely what this is for and can help. A couple things that are included along with including, we offer a couple different accessories that are optional. One of them being the magnehelic gauge, which helps monitor your HEPA filter saturation. It rises as your HEPA filter loads. It's different per application, but once you notice that your unit's not performing like it used to, you can mark on your chassis where this is, and then you can use that as a mark for further filter maintenance with the HEPA filter. We also offer an hour counter here on the back. This monitors the unit runtime by increments of 10 minutes. And that's specifically more for your for your carbon filters. Once you guys have odors that broke through, you start smelling things you weren't smelling before, you can note the unit runtime, mark that, and once you change your filter out, you can reset your timer so you can help establish a maintenance schedule. This also has a variable speed controller on here. When you turn it on, it'll go up to 350 CFM. The low setting is 50, and that varies with your filter media, the pairings that you have. This also comes standard with an 8-foot power cord that you can plug in any 115 volt out. One more thing here on this, with this flexible hose, has a 360-degree swivel assembly, so you swivel around as needed. You can lock your wheels in place too as well, which also limits the movement, keeps it in place. If you have any questions on any type of applications that you may have, feel free to reach out to us and we'd be glad to help. Hello, today we're working with our Model 300 PFS and we're going to demonstrate our airflow capabilities with a HEPA and a 10-pound carbon filter combination, utilizing dry ice and water.